Hi guys, welcome to today's vlog. So I'm starting this vlog off on a Sunday, the 30th of April 2023. So we all know Lagos, Lekki living is on a high side. So it's a high standard living here in Lekki, and I want to also cut costs in everything I do. So food is one of the most expensive thing in Lagos. You'll be ordering a pack of food and juice, and you'll be paying 7,000 naira or so, 7,000 something, inclusive with delivery. And also, I want to cut down on all that. I want to start making my own food. So before that, I have some of the things like the leftovers from the previous ordering I've been doing. So I didn't throw them away because it's me that eats them now. So I have them in my freezer and I want to start microwaving them before I start making my own food. So I'm going to be showing you guys the unboxing of my new microwave. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So if you're new and you're just seeing this face for the first time, hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Louis Ihuefo. So I'm a content creator based in Lagos, Nigeria. So I create content on hair styling, lifestyle, and I also do vlogs. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave, and also don't forget to give this video a very big thumbs up. Like my other videos, watch them, share them with your friends, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you always be notified whenever I post a video. And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you so much for always sticking around. So today I'm just going to be unboxing a few things and also getting my client's hair ready for her wedding. So the wedding is for the 6th of May and today is 3rd. The hair came in yesterday, so I'm going to be customizing the frontal today so that on that day I don't get to do like too many work. Just go there, install my hair, take videos and come back home. So you guys, we're going to start off with the unboxing. Okay, so apparently my room is not yet ready. The only thing that has been done is the curtain installation, the light, the AC and the TV and this mirror here. And my bathroom looks a mess. So when I got back a few days ago, I realized that my shower was leaking or has been leaking. So I've called the facility manager so that the management can come and fix it, because it's really giving me concern. Because when I'm sleeping, I used to hear these drops like ta ta ta, and it's always scary because I'm the only one in this whole place. So I spoke to my carpenter earlier, so he just delivered this mirror, and I'm not liking the finishing. He didn't give me a clean finishing. I'm so particular about my finishing. It has to be very clean. I don't want to see any mistake around. And this mirror came in with a crack, just a little scratch. I just decided to like let it go, because I mean, I let it not look like I'm a troublemaker, but I'm just so exhausted. He delivered the cupboard or the wardrobe for my YouTube studio where I'm going to be putting my things. It's like a storage. So I did it in a wardrobe form, it's just long. So he delivered it on Friday, the day I traveled to Enugu. And he couldn't assemble it because I had limited time. I was supposed to be at the airport, so I just had to leave that day without him doing it. So he said he was going to come yesterday. I've called him yesterday, he didn't come. He didn't pick my calls. So let's try him again and see if he's going to pick my calls. But I don't know.
The customer you're calling is not answering. Please try again later.
So that's, by the way, he didn't pick my call. This is actually the second time I'm calling him this morning, so he's not picking. So I'm going to just unbox a few things with you guys and then head on to customizing the frontal. So you guys, let's do this. So the first thing I got is, sorry, I need to get my mic close. I think I just have to put it here so I can be really audible. So this is a small microphone. I got it from Camera Joint. So there are situations where I do, mostly I do online classes, and there are sometimes I just want to film a video and not get my mic. So I just needed something that is portable, something that I can move around with, something that also works with my phone, that I don't have to like stress before using it. So that's why I got this mic. So I got this mic like a long time ago. And some of the things I'm going to be unboxing in my vlogs, I got them a long time ago, but I've not really opened them or like pay attention to this thing. So we're going to open it. So this is what the mic looks like. So now let's see what it looks like. I almost cut myself. So this is how it comes, just like that. So this is the first one. Then this is the second one. And it has this port, or jack rather, that you can connect it with your phone right here. So let's see. Okay, so this is for iOS and this is for Android. So because I use an iOS, I'm going to just connect it here. That's it. Unlock, okay. Okay, so this is, I think this is the adapter. You connect it here. So I'm not going to put this on. I'm going to check if it actually needs to be charged before I use it, because I mean, when I get a new thing, I like to charge it properly before using it, so that the lifespan can be long. That's the word. So this is what it looks like. That's it. So I'm going, like I said, I'm going to charge it first before I use it. So that's it for the mic. And by the way, I got this from Camera Joint, and I got it for 12,000 naira. So it's here in the receipt, 12,000. I don't know if you can see it, but that's by the way. So the second thing I am going to be unboxing in today's video is my godox light. So there's a rave about this light on Instagram. Everybody has been buying this light. So when I got this light, I didn't want to buy the regular one because I needed something that is also durable. So that's why I got this one. And it came with battery pack and I think a charger. Yeah. So it came with 2 battery packs. Yeah, so this is one of the battery. And if you already have the NY12 or NY16 or 19 lights, and you have a battery for that light, and you're buying this one, I don't think there's any point getting a battery because that's like spending extra money. So my NY battery, I can't find them. There are a lot of things I can actually find. Perfumes, my Tom Ford, I can't even find it. I don't know where that perfume is, but I'll just have to look into my things and then see if I can find it. I beg. That perfume is very expensive. I can't just lose it like that. So this is the charger. 2 batteries, 1 charger. It also came with a tripod, which I'm going to show you guys. So let's see this. So I like the fact it came with a bag. So I mean, I can't be carrying this without, like I can't just be carrying it anyhow. So there's a bag for carriage and safety. So this was actually, it looks like a lunch box. One day I might just use it for carrying hair products. You know, they had me. So this is the strap and a menu which we never read. So we'll throw that away. That's it. So here is the, I don't know what this is called. I think that's why I have to go back to my menu, but here is this one. Then this is the cord. If I need to plug it to light, this is a cord. This is what it looks like. And I like the fact that it's long. It actually looks long. Then what's this? What's this? Okay, so I think I know what this is. So let's say I am using my my cord and the adapter. I can pin this, or rather use this to like hold it to my, what's it called? My tripod. They just took the light. Then this one is for the light. I think this is a light holder. So you can actually use this to bend the light to the direction you want. See why I like this place? They just brought the light again. Then this is for the battery. So this can be connected to, or this can be strapped, or rather placed here, I think. I don't know, we'll figure out that one later. Then this is the adapter. And this is the golden baby. Oh, it actually has, what's this? This is another strap. And this is my baby, you guys. So this is the godox ML60B1 light. So it is the portable fill light. So apparently this light has warm, it has white, and it has warm white mixed together. That's one good thing about this light, and I really can't wait to start using it. So I have a shoot tomorrow, so I might probably set it up tomorrow and launch it. So that's it for this one. So I'm just going to charge the batteries and then look for something to eat. I might probably just order food. And then I posted something on my Instagram for people to like refer a place where I can do my pedicure and manicure, because my legs have seen hair. They actually look crusty for the first time. My legs have never looked this bad. So you know when they say this thing is shaming me, it's mine, no, but it's still shaming me. So I want to go clean up. That's the word. So if I get a spa where I'm going to do the pedicure, I'll still take you guys with me, so you can also enjoy the experience with me. So this is a tripod it came with. Let's just quickly open it and see what it looks like. So I like the fact that I didn't get to start buying tripod like separately. So everything came together as a package. So this is the tripod. It actually looks strong. It's strong. So I'm going to leave a link to the brand, the people I got the lights from. I'm going to leave it in the description below. So if you're interested, just go get yours from them. Hi everyone, welcome back. So remember I told you guys in my last video that I'm going to be introducing something I call the combo vlog. So the combo vlog is going to be consisting of what I do on a normal day, and then I'm going to like take you guys through some of these things I do, so you guys can learn or achieve one or two things from watching my vlog. So you're not going to see me like wake up from my bed, drink tea and all of that. So but you're going to be learning, some of the things I do, when it comes to work. So today, like I said, we're going to be customizing a hair. So I already opened the hair. So it's from Styles by Lins. So this is a frontal wig, a 13 by 6 HD frontal wig. So you guys can see that it really looks scattered on this side. So I have my Andes hot comb, which is plugged already. So I'm going to just use it to like lay the strands backwards, so everything is tamed properly to the back, because I wouldn't want a situation whereby I have bleach stained on some of the strands. So I just want everything to be as clean as possible. So once I'm done with this, I'm just going to put it aside and then get my bleach powder. So I'm just going to rub it in like this. So when you're bleaching your hair, always be careful so you don't end up, putting it where you're not supposed to put it. So I like to make sure it gets to all the strands, or the knots rather. Oh my god, this thing smells really bad. So if you're someone who is not careful with application, I would advise you wear a hand glove before you do this. So I'm going to quickly wash my hands so that this thing doesn't eat it up. So now I'm going to set my timer for 25 minutes. So let's say my client is a light skinned person. I will just do 30 minutes so it can, lift very well. So let's start it 25 minutes. I'm going to just leave it here while we wait. So let me show you guys what it looks like. This knot has been bleached to perfection. So you see, it really looks nice and clean. So you see, we don't have the bleach staining the strand, so everything is gorgeous. You can see. Okay, so one more thing I like to do whenever I finish using a container or a product is either I pack them back to where they should be, then if it needs cleaning, I clean them. So now I'm going to be cleaning my mix plate and making sure everything is well cleaned. Then I return it back to where I brought it out from so that when next I want to work with this thing, it's going to be easy and smooth for me to use. So let's clean. So this is one of the reasons why I actually got a place to stay alone, so that as I'm doing everything, I know it's just me. Nobody is saying, "Oh, you messed up the kitchen. You did this. You did that." So even if I'm going to have strands of hair everywhere, I know it's me that caused it. So that's it. So it's time to pluck the hair. So now what I usually do is before I pluck, I also get my hot comb ready. So these are the tweezers I'll be using. So they're really blunt. They just do the job well, so that's why I still have them. So I have my canvas block. I'm going to just put it like this. So the reason why I'm using a towel because I am hairy and I'm wearing a short, so I wouldn't want the hair to stay on my skin afterwards. So I like to put this together like this, just to get the middle, like half of the hair. So I'm going to just open it up a bit, like so. So I already have the center. So now I'm going to then set it like this. Using this center here, I'm going to use my T-pins to like secure it down. So another thing I like to do is, because I don't like to mess up the lace, I wouldn't want to mess up the lace. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out this band. So if you have paper close to you, you can also use paper. So we just have it here and just pin it down like this. So that's it.
When I think about yesterday, my oh my, my oh my, a kiss, and so I did. Since I met you, I feel unbreakable. Since I met you, I feel unbreakable. Since I met you, I feel unbreakable. I feel unbreakable. My oh my, my oh my, a kiss, and so I did. You hold me close, tell me that you can read my mind. How do you get to know?
Coco.
Oh baby, get out my head, get out my head. 'Cause now that you'll never be, it's just another memory with strangers who know every secret. 'Cause now that you'll never see, it's just a faded memory with strangers who know every secret. I don't need saving, 'cause you leave me alone. If you see me crying, let me cry alone.
I have no idea.